Something I have been practicing a lot for several years now is path of surrender, the practice of letting go and letting God. It was the first most powerful statement I heard in Unity when I joined over 20 years ago, to have that understanding that I can let go, I can let God guide and direct me through the experience. It was such a revelation to me, who was taught to sort things out, to get involved, to fix things, be responsible for things. So this path of surrender is a joy, a practice, and a lifetime experience. Believe me, it is something I have to practice every day. And the more I connect with it, the more I realize I don't do it. And the more it's like, okay, another opportunity. I can let go of this. I can let go of trying to fix a problem or control a situation, thinking from my own Kimerie mind that I have the best solutions. I am the only person that can do this. I need to be in control. I think it's a disease of this Western civilization that we abide in right now. But when we can follow the path of surrender, when we truly can let go and let God, we open to the deepest joy, the deepest peace, that real experience of freedom and abundance in every way that blesses us and those around us. So it's a path I walk, and it's a path I invite you to join me on, because I know it works. And this Lenten season, our booklet this year is entitled 40 Days of Letting Go. And I laughed when I saw the title, because it's like 40 days. Okay, I get the message, just keep letting go. So we are invited throughout Lent to name and recognize and let go of emotions or situations or thoughts that we are holding that are causing only tension and stress in our lives, that actually aren't serving us. Because as we let go, we come to really know God here in our midst, so that as we come to Easter, we can celebrate and recognize the risen Christ in us. For our divine potential, our divine inner beauty shines through when we let everything else go. So it's a powerful path, this path of surrender. It's one I invite you to join me on, perhaps using our Lenten booklet, which you will find on our website, to journal how you are not letting go, and where perhaps you realize that you can. And take the invitations, the meditations, to truly experience the risen Christ in you. And as you do, know that you are blessing our world, and you will move forward and act and live in a way where others know the same light is also in them, that they too can let go. So this Easter, this Lenten season, join us through our morning daily word and Lenten readings on Zoom, our Thursday evening Lenten meditation, and the opportunity to truly let go and let God be God in you and through you and as you.